In the Holy Quran, Allah explicitly stated, He decreed, "O you believing men and women, protect the adornment of your women." So okay lah, this lebay ni cakap pasal tutup aurat. Tapi the second part is, protect the adornment of your women and lower your gaze. O believing men, protect the adornment of your women and lower your gaze. Pasal apa the second part the command tu langsung tak feature dalam diselebai punya jawapan? Saya nampak pusat, saya nampak. Why did you not lower your gaze? Lower your gaze means you jangan pergi tengok, jangan mata, jangan pergi cari, jangan be a roving eyes. You tengok, lepas tu you complain, you punya pahala masuk. Bukan pahala saja. You dosa, you cari. You langgar perintah Allah. You pergi cari, pergi tengok benda tu. Allah punya caution is a double barrel. Dia suruh tutup benda-benda yang memang attract men supaya perempuan tak dikacau, tak diganggu, tak payahlah tunjuk half the book semua kat orang. Kita men, kita tahu lah, kita tengok, kita suka kan. So, these are designed for men to like. But men who has got nothing to do with women, not husband, has got no business liking somebody else's women punya private parts. Okay? You should like whatever that belongs to you lah. That's it. Jadi kalau you start liking other things, you start behaving in a manner that actually compromises the security of other women or their comfort, this is what is sought to be prevented in Islam. But double barrel to that is Allah say lower your gaze. Because man also has a responsibility. Doesn't mean kalau perempuan reveal, man ada lesen to do whatever they like to do. And you can, you boleh complain pula, you puasa, dia tak boleh tengok ni, tengok tu. Siapa suruh you pergi tengok? You tak boleh tengok. Dia pakai, you look away. That's it. You lower your gaze. You turn away. You tak boleh tengok. You boleh nasihat orang, that's about it. Tapi this guy, male chauvinist lah. Itu je. That's what it means.
If you have any interesting ideas that can help build a better Malaysia, please put them in the comment section. And if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe. The subscription is free. You don't have to pay money. And we don't, YouTube doesn't give us your information. So there's no list of subscribers. I just know the number of subscribers, but no information about who the subscribers are. And we are not monetized, so there's no advertisements. When you click on our videos, you straight away watch our videos. You don't have to see annoying ads. Anyway, now please subscribe if you haven't done so, and please share our videos far and wide. Terima kasih. Wassalam.
If you want to see more content like this, make sure to like, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you don't miss any new videos.